That seems extremely similar to what A. Raja also had said in a similar situation in perhaps as animated a way. On the News Hour tonight from Chennai, I have N. Murugan, well-known columnist. Thank you very much. He's supporting Dayanidhi Maran. And Siddharth Nath Singh of the BJP wants him to resign. Mr. Murugan, I'd like to start with you first. Why should a minister who is being questioned for such a massive deal in which he gives a clearance and within weeks of that his brother's company gets a massive investment from the same source, that is Maxis, why should that minister appear to be so outraged? Mr. Murugan.
Sir, yes, I am hearing you, sir. I have been watching your news item in this subject for the past few days. I myself spoke to Dayanidhi Maran, Kalanidhi Maran also, who is a close friend of mine. And I also know some of the background of all these things. Sir, I have told in a press interview also, there was a family fight between Mr. Karunanidhi and Mr. Marans, and they fell out. During that time, all these things were built up by Minister Raja, and some groups were opposed to Marans. In an interview, I clearly told, as far as Kalanidhi Maran is concerned, he is an astute businessman who has built up Sun TV and Sun Network, Disney, everything independently without using any political clout, sir. I personally know.
No, but
I know him from.
So that is, sir, I wish, Mr. Murugan, I wish your personal assurance,
please,
which I am sure that you are giving with great sincerity, was to be enough. But unfortunately, Mr. Murugan, here are some facts.
Okay, sir. Sorry.
I'm simply asking you on facts.
Point, sir.
There's an clearance given by Dayanidhi, and there is an investment in Kalanidhi's company. Now, what you're saying, what Dayanidhi Maran is saying is that it's all coincidental. My brother is a great businessman. He's getting all of this on his own. I don't know. Now, that same argument Kanimodi could have given in a different context. Why should I be bothered whether it's a family fight between, Raja and Maran? Why should I be bothered? I'm only asking you on the issue of alleged nepotism and corruption.
Sir, I am asking you, I was telling you one simple point. Regarding that investment, it was a loan given to a TV. This is an investment for equity. All of us know Ananda Krishnan, all those Malaysian company, Singapore company, they were looking for good investments in Tamil Nadu or India.
And they only found,
I can tell you,
they only found Dayanidhi's brother's company.
Yes, because that company was going to be very highly successful. Their assessment also I know. Sir, I tell you, Ananda Krishnan did not invest individually from his company. Astro is the company where Malaysian government is a shareholder. Sir, please make your documentary proof very clear.
I am simply asking you a simple question. The question here is, did Maran give clearance to Maxis? Let me get Siddharth Nath Singh. Question is very elementary. Did Maran give clearance to Maxis? And after the clearances were given to Maxis, in that intervening period, when whether or not Maran was minister then or not, did Maxis invest in Maran's, that is Kalanidhi Maran's company? Simple. It's as simple as that. Siddharth Nath Singh, you heard the response. How do you view what Maran has said today? You heard his response as well.
Well, it's there is a cycle of history to be repeated, but unfortunately, this is being repeated. The history is being repeated, or we all debating as if we were debating A. Raja's case, and it's exactly the follow-up which is happening. There is no difference, except the difference is there was 200 crores. Here it is about 600 crores. So the arguments being given by Mr. Maran are very weak, and it's a clear case of gratification, illegal gratification, which is in lieu of a valuable license spectrum being given. But I wish the Congress were there to defend themselves or answer to our questions. We have asked 4 questions to Maran, he hasn't replied. Neither his, press statements are speaking about it. But the real issue is, what is the government doing of the day? There is a huge, I was just watching your debate earlier, there's a huge thing going on about the Ramdev and the Anna Hazare on the corruption, the Lokpal bill and all that, and the way the civil society and the country is looking up on all these issues. Here is the government which doesn't want to take an action. They have already seen what happened with A. Raja and the mood in the nation being built up. Here again on the Maran, it's a clear case that
how do you prove the charge of illegal gratification? No, Siddharth. You see, now Maran is arguing legally. No, one second. Maran is arguing legally. One minute, Siddharth. Maran's argument legally is prove illegal gratification. I don't, he says, have any shares or fiduciary interest in my brother's company. It's my brother's decision. I gave clearances to one company. I didn't even know, he says, that they were going to invest in my brother's company. Ask my brother.
There are, there are inferences, there are circumstances, and there are more than the coincidences which leads to the inference, not by the BJP itself, by the media, by even the CBI. Now there is an Aircel Maxis relationship. Aircel was trying since 2004 to get licenses, 14 licenses. They never got that. When Maxis invested into the Aircel, the 14 licenses
you're connecting the dots.
Within 2 months, the Astro, which is a subsidiary, invests into Sun Direct TV. That's again a case. So there is enough. Forget about that. What about today? There is a CBI on the
Mr. Murugan is responding.
323 ISDN lines.
No, Mr. Murugan is responding.
There is enough to prove that Maran is involved.
Mr. Murugan is responding. Yes, go on.
Sir, one amendment to this statement. The investing company Astro, Anandakrishnan has no say. Sir, Astro is made up of Khazanah, which is Malaysian government investment. Anandakrishnan is not even
now, how
in the
does
board.
That make
His
a difference?
representative is one of.
How, even if what you are saying is right, how does it make a difference?
Sir,
it's
Astro
the same company
can invest in an. Sir, Astro company is
so
the investor, in which Anandakrishnan is only one director among the 5. The chairman happens to be a Malaysian government.
How does it matter? Obviously, he will be one director among many. I don't know any private company which has only one director in a board of directors. My question to you is, how does it matter? Whether Anandakrishnan is, it's not about Anandakrishnan, it's about the same company making an investment in Dayanidhi Maran's brother's company.
No, that company is, sir, that itself is an excellent investment compared to many other government companies of Malaysia, Singapore investing in Tata Sky, and they are investing in Zee TVs, Dishnet TV, all these things put together. It is a price and very covetable investment, sir. Now, the time when the investment was made.
There are many cases of quid pro quos happening also. That a company which has a subsidiary invests into Sun Direct TV, at the same time 2 months or 3 months before they get 14 licenses which was pending for almost 3 years. So there is enough material which needs to be investigated. What is surprising is why the Prime Minister is keeping silent. There is a Justice Patil report which talks about the irregularities done during the Maran's time, and nobody is answering that. Even Kapil Sibal is keeping quiet about it.
Mr. Murugan, quick response.
Due respect to you, that is politics. Sir, 1 minute, sir. That is politics. Why Prime Minister is not acting and all. I am telling you a fact. I have worked in Government of India in licensing department. Hundreds of applications will be pending for 2 years,
Mr. Murugan, you will get enough time in the Supreme Court to depose about it and take, give your personal assurance.
No. I am not, sir. I am telling you, law will take its own course. Mr. Dayanidhi Maran has said, if he has done any mistake, he is facing it.
Mr.
I am
Murugan,
telling
can
you
I
only
ask you
one
something?
point, sir. Please take me.
Mr. Murugan,
please.
Can I ask you something? There are some people who are saying, Mr. Murugan, that there is an internal fight going on. And in the process of the internal fight, all the dirt is coming out. If there was no fight, the dirt would not come out.
Yes, sir, correct. I think Arnab, as usual, you are very correct.
Right. If I am correct.
This is built up.
If I am correct.
This is built up.
Yes, if I am correct.
I am of the
opinion. Without a fire, Arnab.
No, if I am correct, Mr. Murugan, then let the dirt come out. We always believe. Let the skeletons come out of everyone's cupboard.
But let us not jump to conclusions. There was a quid pro quo.
I am of the opinion. Answer the second part of my question. You are saying there is a fight going on within this DMK and
Yes.
the dirt is coming out.
Yes.
So you are alleging
Yes.
indirectly that
I am-
somebody within the DMK structure is putting out all of this against Mr. Maran?
Exactly, sir. That is my opinion. My opinion,
Then
sir.
in your opinion,
My opinion.
Then in your opinion, who put out the dirt against Raja?
Yes, sir. I mean, there's a other thing also. When they were out,
No,
when
who
the
put
fight
out-
was on the peak, they started telling. They were telling 24 lines were given by the GM. So many cables were laid. All those things are lies.
Mr.
Only what?
Mr. Murugan,
Tell me, sir.
Mr. Murugan, I think you put out a very strong defense of Mr. Maran. The point here tonight is, however,
Yes.
politics runs on perception. There was action against Mr. Raja on perception. Mr. Maran will have an opportunity to handle the case legally. As of now, tonight, question is
Yes,
simple.
sir.
Will the
Yes.
Prime Minister of India vouch for Mr. Maran's integrity? Why is the government not issuing a single statement? The Congress looking away? And should Mr. Maran get the message? Is it being
Perhaps-
sent a
perhaps
message? On
that
that
is
note, I will
political.
wrap up the
That
News
is
Hour tonight. The question is very much in Mr. Maran's domain. He needs to answer some specific questions, react more in specifics, and with a little less outrage. Thank you for watching the News Hour tonight. I'll see you tomorrow once again. It's a privilege bringing the news to you. Good night and goodbye.